Today, I'll walk you through how to download Google Calendar on Mac, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to install Google Calendar as an app on your Mac so you can easily access your schedule anytime. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your search bar or directly visiting www.google.com. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to help you manage your time effectively. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see the Chrome settings icon, which looks like three vertical dots. Hover over this icon, and a menu will appear. This is where you'll find various options to customize your browsing experience. Now click on the settings icon and the menu will expand. From this menu, look for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. When you find it, hover over it and a submenu will pop up. This is where the magic happens. In the submenu, you will see an option that says Install Page as App. Go ahead and click on this option. This step is crucial because it allows you to create a dedicated app for Google Calendar on your Mac, making it easier to access your calendar without going through your browser each time. After clicking Install Page as App, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Simply click on the Install button. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The installation process is quite straightforward and should only take a moment. Once you click Install, the app will automatically begin to install on your Mac. You might see a brief loading screen, but it won't take long. Once the installation is complete, you will have Google Calendar as a standalone app on your Mac. It's like having your personal assistant right at your fingertips. Now that you've successfully downloaded Google Calendar on your Mac, you can easily access it from your applications or your dock. This will streamline your scheduling process and help you stay organized. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.